Hey everyone, and welcome back. In the last lesson, we explored the power of Amazon Code Whisperer for intelligent code completion. Now, let's put those AI skills to use in a brand new project. In this lesson, we're starting to build a full-stack chatbot from scratch, and we'll be using Cursor, another fantastic AI-powered code editor to speed up our development. In this part, we'll focus on setting up our backend with Python and Flask, and letting Cursor handle the initial API endpoint creation. Get ready to build your own interactive AI. Before we can dive into the code, we first need to install our main tool for this project, Cursor. To get started, head over to the official Cursor website, which you can find a link to in the description below. Once there, you'll see a download button for your operating system, whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Just click on it and the download will begin. After the download is complete, simply run the installer file and follow the on-screen instructions. The process is pretty straightforward. Once it's finished, you can open Cursor and you'll be greeted with the welcome screen, ready to start our project. First things first, we need to set up our backend. We'll be using Python and the Flask microframework. Let's start by creating our project directory and a virtual environment. These are standard practices for any Python project, helping us manage dependencies effectively. Now let's install Flask. Instead of typing out the pip install command ourselves, we can ask Cursor to do it for us using its chat or command features. This is a small example of how Cursor can streamline even basic tasks. Install the Flask library. Now for the exciting part. Let's ask Cursor to generate the basic structure of our Flask application and a simple API endpoint to receive user messages. We'll use a clear and concise prompt in Cursor's chat. This demonstrates how we can leverage Cursor's AI capabilities to generate initial code quickly. Create a basic Flask application with an endpoint /API/chat that accepts post requests and returns a simple hello from the backend response. With our initial backend code in place, let's run our Flask application. We'll use the standard Flask run command in the terminal. This will start our development server, and we can then test our new API endpoint. Flask app run debug. But our chatbot isn't very chatty yet. In this part, we'll give our backend a brain. We'll integrate a basic AI model to generate responses to user messages, and we'll continue to use our AI assistant, Cursor, to help us with the code. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a functional backend that can respond to user input with AI-powered messages. Let's dive in. First, we need to install a library to interact with an AI model. We'll use a simple open source library called Transformers from Hugging Face. We'll ask Cursor to handle the installation for us, ensuring we get the correct command. Install the Transformers library. Now for the core of this lesson, integrating the AI model. We'll prompt Cursor to write a function that loads a pre-trained model and tokenizer. We'll use a very small, efficient model suitable for this simple demonstration. We'll also ask it to generate a function to use this model to generate a response from a given user message. This is where AI truly helps us build complex logic quickly. Create a function to load a pre-trained Distill GPT-2 model and tokenizer from the Transformers library. Then, create a function that takes a message as input and uses this model to generate a short, simple response. Our final step is to update our existing API/chat endpoint to use our new AI logic. Instead of returning a static hello message, we'll now call our new AI function to generate a dynamic response based on the user's input. This is a small but critical change that makes our chatbot functional. Modify the chat endpoint to use the AI response generation function and return the AI's response instead of the static hello message. We've now completed our first full-stack AI project. In our next lesson, we'll wrap up this series by exploring the future of AI in coding. We'll discuss best practices, professional tips, and what to expect next from this rapidly evolving field. This will be an important lesson for anyone looking to stay ahead in the world of AI-assisted coding. See you there. Did you find this lesson helpful? If so, please hit the like button and share it with a friend. We'd also love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our future coding tutorials. Your support means the world to us and helps us create more great content.